season is still rolling on, and we have quite a few number of hot stocks still to go this week. What is going on? It seems to be lasting forever, but this is good because there's some really dynamic earnings charts this week. There's about 550 companies reporting, so you can imagine there's going to be some high flyers still in that group. And what are they? I've picked out 5 you should be watching. Let's dive right in and see. So the first one up is the hot pandemic play Zoom Video, ticker ZM. Nothing has been hotter than this one during, this trying times over the last year. But they actually have this great earnings surprise track record with those long green arrows. They haven't missed since their IPO in 2019. That was obviously pre-pandemic. And now shares, well, they're off those all-time highs when they were up over 400% there. And now, basically coming back down to earth a bit as the vaccines roll out. But how much will we get off of Zoom, even with the vaccine rollout? Nobody knows. That's why the shares are kind of just hanging out there now. This will be an interesting call. So this is one everybody's going to be tuning in on. Then we're going to get some of the big retailers, and one of the big ones is going to be Target, TGT. This is another big pandemic play, but they may still have legs post-pandemic as they've won over a lot of customers and, stepped up their game on delivery and online ordering and all of the pandemic type of things. So this one also, Target has put together a nice earnings track record with 8 beats in a row. These shares are up 75% over the last year, and as you can see, are trading right around those 5-year highs. Can they continue to break out here, or is this rally over? We will find out. Then we're switching back over to tech with Viva Systems, ticker VEEV. Wow, what a chart this one is. They haven't missed in 5 years. This is a perfect record. But what is it they do if you're not familiar? I took a look on their website. They're cloud-based software for the global life sciences industry. So all you really need to hear is cloud and software. And that tells you why this chart looks so great. And so these shares also hitting new 5-year highs here in 2020. They are up almost 100% over the last year, looking for a catalyst. Will this next earnings report be it? We will see. Then we're going to keep on the tech wave with Ambarella. Now, I've talked about this one quite a bit over the last couple of years here on the Earnings All Stars videos because of their great earnings track record. I mean, they haven't missed in 5 years either. So this one, was kind of just stalling out in that same, treading water in that same range there. But finally, here going into 2021, we've had the breakout. Shares are back up to those 5-year highs, but can it hold this? That's what investors are going to be wondering here. And then we're going to wrap it up with another retailer, one I haven't had on the Earnings All Stars videos, Big 5 Sporting Goods, BGFV. This one is also a pandemic play. Had those 2 misses there in 2020 during the pandemic, but now is back on track with another meter beat there last quarter. These shares were basically left for 5-year lows right before the pandemic, right as it was hitting there in 2020, and now soaring off of those lows as we've all rushed out to buy any kind of sporting goods we could. I know that the free weights, the free hand weights are still on back order at most places. You still can't work out at home even though you want to. So there's still a lot of demand for the sporting kind of items. Will this hold post-pandemic? We don't know, but these shares are up 500% in the last year. And so maybe this run is over, but this is going to be one to watch. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of mix in the names of the hottest charts for this week, but they're all smoking hot. And can they stay that way as the economy reopens, both on the tech side and on the retail side? We will see, but you don't want to miss a single episode of the Earnings All Stars videos as I'm bringing you everything that's going on with the earnings charts every week, and they're still going on and will be through at least next week, if not mid-March. So you want to be subscribing. Get all of our Earnings All-Stars videos among all of our videos on zacks.com/YouTube, and I'll see you again with some more earnings charts.